Hello student, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to learn an important topics. What is human resource management, HRM, and what is the objectives of HRM, human resource management. First, we learn what is human resource management, HRM. Human resource is the most important and sensitive resource of an organization. Human resource means people who work for a company or organization. Okay, human resource is the most important and sensitive means impressionable or delicate resource. Resource means asset of an organization. Okay. Now, human resource management is the process of hiring and developing employees so that they become more valuable to the organization. Human resource management is the process of hiring. Hiring means starting to employ someone for wages. Okay. And developing means inspiring or going or change into more advanced form. Hiring or developing employees so that they become more valuable to the organization. Okay. Now, human resource management includes conducting job analysis, planning personnel needs, recruitment the right people for the job, orientation and training, managing wages and salaries, providing benefits and incentives, evaluating performance, resolving dispute, and communicating with all employees at all levels. Human resource management includes conducting job analysis. Job analysis means a process to identify and determine in details the particular job duties and requirement. Planning personnel need. Planning means deciding or formulate in advance. Planning personnel needs, recruiting the right people for the job, right person for the job, orientation and training. Orientation means providing new employees with basic information about the employers. Okay, orientation means providing new employees with basic information about the employer. And training means training programs are used to ensure that the new employees has the basic knowledge required to perform the job satisfactorily. Okay, managing wage, manage correct wage and salaries, determine correct salaries, providing benefits and incentives. Incentives means a payment to stimulate greater outputs, evaluating performance of the workers or staff, resolving dispute, solving the dispute of the staff or workers, and communicating with all employees at all levels. Okay, now what is the objectives of human resource management? What is the objectives of HRM? Number 1, effective utilization of human resource. Effective utilization of human asset. Okay. Number 2, desirable working relationship among all members of the organization. Okay. Number 3, maximum individual development. Maximum individual development. Okay. Number 4, selection of proper personnel. Selection of proper personnel. Number 5, determination of proper scale of pay as per rank and responsibilities of the staff. Okay. Number 6, providing proper training of the employees. Providing proper training of the employees. Number 7, maintain good employer and employee relationship. Okay. Number 8, proper provision for welfare of the employees. Proper provision for welfare. Welfare means availability of health, comfort and happiness. Proper provision for health, comfort and happiness of the employees. Okay. Number 9, maintenance of proper organization structure. Maintenance of proper organization structure. It is clear, my student, what is the objectives of human resource management and also what is human resource management, HRM. Okay, thank you.